So a few minutes ago, I was just looking through my YouTube Studio page for my channel, and I found something that was quite interesting to me. So if you guys don't know, when you're monetized on YouTube, which means that you make earnings through your videos, there's advertisements displayed on your videos, copyright becomes an issue because if your video is re-uploaded and people are watching that one, you're losing views and so on, so on. I'm pretty sure you guys know how copyright works. But I was looking through my copyright section, and I found a 100% match of my how to make my moon in 1 minute video that I posted, I think 2 months ago now. And I don't know how to feel about it because it's on a conspiracy channel. Like, their entire channel is just like conspiracies about the Illuminati and the moon landing, and it's extremely funny to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this, cause it's funny. So if we go here on my copyright page, you can see right here, matching videos. NASA's moon is fake exposed. Similar method and software they used by The Hidden Truth with 890 subscribers. The video currently has 713 views and was posted about 7 days ago. And it's a 100% match on my video. Now if we click on this video right here, and we go to it real quick, we can see there are people that just commenting. This is one of my friends right here. But yeah, it's like literally my video. If I play the video, it's
Scale it down. Control 2 to give it a subsurface.
it's my video, man. You can see my taskbar down here and everything. Yeah, it's my voice. I made this. You can go to my channel and look at my moon video. It's my video. I just kind of wanted to make this video to kind of point that out, that this happened, because I found it kind of funny. But yeah, you don't have to go find the video or anything. You don't have to like go and try to like comment on it, try to get them to take it down. I'm taking care of it. YouTube will have it taken down in a day or two. But it's just I don't know. It's not the fact that it was my video that's been re-uploaded, because that's happened a few times before. It's just the fact that my moon looks so realistic to somebody that they tried to say that NASA faked it by using my method. So yeah, thanks guys for watching. I'll be uploading more videos again soon. I just had to take a little break to kind of get my mind straight and stuff, but I'll be uploading more videos soon, so stay tuned for that. But thanks guys so much for watching. My name is Michael from Polygon Island, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.